The Peugeot 308 gets a mid-life cycle update with sharper styling and key upgrades. The hatchback and Estate feature a redesigned front end with split headlights. Powertrain options now include diesel, mild hybrid, plug-in hybrid and electric variants. The Peugeot 308 1.5-litre Blue HDI 4-cylinder turbo diesel, the only non-electrified engine in the lineup, produces 129 horsepower and is exclusively mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. The model is also available with a mild hybrid turbo 1.2-litre 3-cylinder gasoline engine, which is good for 143 horsepower. This is mated to a 6-speed dual-clutch automatic EDSC6 with an integrated electric motor. Moving inside, the 308 doesn't get the newer digital cockpit of the mechanically related 3008 and 5008 SUVs, but its own version of the iCockpit with a 10-inch display, and it still looks modern. Changes include the new 3D graphics for the digital instrument cluster and the Alcantara upholstery for the GT and GT premium trims. Equipment can include a 10-speaker focal premium hi-fi system, an 8-color ambient lighting and massaging seats, while the infotainment benefits from over-the-air upgrades.